Should you remove the toilet tank lid when unclogging a toilet? Yes, tank access can be useful to control water flow, but handle the lid carefully. When you face a clogged toilet and need to manage water level or shut off flow, lift the tank lid just enough to reach the flush valve or fill valve control without fully detaching the lid. If you must add water to the bowl to create a proper siphon, tip the lid slightly and pour slowly into the bowl to avoid splashing or destabilizing the lid. If the problem requires turning the water supply off, reach behind the toilet to close the shutoff valve first, and then, if needed, lift the lid to verify the float and fill valve position so you can prevent overflow while plunging. Use a flange plunger for best seal and operate with steady, controlled strokes rather than violent jerks to reduce the risk of splashing or water surge into the tank. If you need to use an auger, feed the cable into the bowl with the tank lid off only when you have firm footing and a secure place to set the lid nearby to avoid dropping it. Always place the lid on a soft, stable surface so it will not chip or crack if set down during the job. Common mistakes include removing the lid and setting it on the floor where it cracks easily and then contaminates surfaces, so instead set the lid on a towel on a counter. Another frequent issue is turning the supply valve the wrong way or forgetting to turn it back on. So mark the valve position before and after, or turn it slowly and check the bowl and tank levels once you finish. People also overfill the bowl by pouring too quickly, which can cause splashing and injury, so pour slowly and monitor the tank while maintaining a slight lid tilt rather than fully removing it. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and gives contractors a place to connect with potential clients related to projects like plumbing and unclogging assistance. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences with hands-on tasks.